Hey guys, there we have a brand new Grand Cherokee. This one is the same as the new Grand Cherokee L. It's the new body shape, the new cluster in the front. We've installed here our IGLA anti-theft pin code system. So basically, every time you enter the vehicle, you won't be able to drive away without entering a code. This code is available to the customer, to the driver. It can be changed as many times as the customer wants. It's easy and simple to change as long as you know the code that you have. Now I'm going to go into the vehicle. I'm going to show you what happens if I don't know the code. So this vehicle, because of the remote starter, we actually allow the car to start. So I'm going to start the vehicle. Car is running nice and clean. I'm going to shift it to gear and check my engine. My engine just died and shut down. The vehicle went back to parking. I'm going to start the vehicle again. I'm going to let the car try to start the car again. And the car won't start the second time. At this point, the car is dead. What I'm going to do, I'm going to enter my special pin code. So I'm going to turn the ignition on. This time I use the simple button to enter the code. This is just for the test in here for the video. This can be changed. And once it's changed, nobody will know the code. So I'm going to press the button 1, 2, 3, 4. I heard 2 beeps on my confirmation. Car can start. I can put the car in gear and I can drive away. Now the system is gonna protect your car. If there's anybody who got a key or got a hold for your vehicle, the car won't start. They will start, but the car won't drive away. Your remote starter is still functional because, as you saw, we do allow the car to start. As soon as you come to the car, put the car in gear, it will shut down. So your remote starter is functional, everything is working. System is available for the new body style Jeep, Grand Cherokee and Grand Cherokee L. If you're looking for more information, find us at Car System Installation. We'll see you next time. Have a good day.